When you create a recipe collection in Prepare, you have control over who is allowed to see it. If you're just creating a new collection, you'll be able to set that collection's privacy settings right here on the Collection Creation screen. If you've already created a collection, you can access and change your privacy options by entering the Collection Detail screen and tapping Edit in the top right corner. Scroll to the bottom of the Edit screen to see your privacy options. If you make your collection public, anyone in Prepare can see and follow along with it. If you make your collection just friends, only your friends can see and follow along with your collection. If you make your collection secret, only you will be able to see it. You set privacy settings for collections on a case-by-case basis. You may make one collection private, another just friends, and a third secret. Keep in mind that privacy settings control who can look at and follow your collections only. None of your followers can add recipes to your collections unless you specifically add them as a collaborator.